Let's take a look at what's happening weather-wise. Clear, cool conditions tonight, but it's not going to be chilly out there by tomorrow morning. Just the very coldest spots briefly dipping into the upper 30s. One more warm day to go tomorrow. Still a noticeable offshore breeze, especially for the North Bay. And then things begin to shift by the end of the work week. Cooler conditions by Friday and Saturday, just a return to normal, but quite a bit below normal Sunday onward, and even a chance for some rain showers in the forecast on Sunday for the first time in a while. It's been a week ago today since the last time we saw measurable rain in the Bay Area. Let's take a look at those wind gusts, and they are going to remain noticeable again as we head through tonight. There's no wind advisory in effect. I don't think it's going to have any significant impact on the morning commute. Just a good idea to keep both hands on the wheel, which you should do anyway. The wind still noticeable by late morning. Some of the strongest gusts in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range by that point, and still offshore, which means a continuation of the warm, dry pattern for one more day. Those winds die down during the afternoon, and then they shift as we head into early Friday morning. So a return of the onshore breeze means a return to those near average temperatures by Friday and Saturday. But it's one more day of the offshore wind pushing any cloud cover away from the coast. But watch how the gray kind of reappears along and near the coast as we head into early Friday morning. Some return of a little bit of fog along the coast, even making its way inland as we head through Friday night into early Saturday. More of a mix of clouds and sunshine for the first half of the weekend, but still clear skies tonight if you want to do some comet spotting. So what are we talking about? This is the comet with the green tail that we were mentioning earlier in the month when we had all the clouds and all the rain, but now you get a better view of it. There's the name of the comet, which doesn't exactly roll off the tongue. It is visible from now through about February 10th. It's going to be closest on Groundhog Day, but we are going to see intermittent clouds at night. So we want to get away from city lights, use a telescope or binoculars to get the best view of this thing, and the direction that you should look is to the north and northwest. Good conditions tonight. Clear skies overhead. So if you want to catch a glimpse, that's how you can do it. Let's take a look outside, and a beautiful sunset in progress. Still nice to see some light on the horizon as we approach 6 o'clock. Temperatures were into the 60s, even the low to mid 70s for highs today. Maybe not quite that warm tomorrow, but still very nice. Temperatures tonight mostly dropping down to the 40s, just the very coolest spots briefly dipping into the upper 30s in the Tri-Valley. Temperatures tomorrow warming up into the middle portion of the 60s for most of us. The warmest spots north of the Golden Gate, taking advantage of those offshore downslope winds. That's a warming effect, warming up to around 70 degrees near Santa Rosa, Windsor, and St. Helena. Temperatures are going to return to near average levels by Friday and Saturday. It means mostly mid to upper 50s with a few spots cracking 60 degrees. And then below normal temperatures Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, only low to mid 50s. It's definitely going to feel like late January and early February, and a chance for a few spotty rain showers Sunday into Sunday night, maybe early Monday.